G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Chef Blake's Home Cooking Show. On today's episode I'm going to be cooking traditional style French crepes with the chocolate marquise and fresh summer berries with cream fraiche. For those of you following along at home, check the description below for today's pantry list, and without further ado, let's get stuck into it. Alright guys, to make our crepe batter we're going to need plain flour, eggs, milk, butter and salt. Just going to add the dry ingredients together. Two eggs. And then at the end we just want to add that butter. Alright guys, now that I've made the chocolate marquise and my crepe batter's been resting for about 20 or 30 minutes, I'm going to start cooking those off, so let's get on the stoves.
Pardonne et la clémence, ô mon Dieu, les ramènent vers toi. Mon Dieu, les ramène en séjour vers toi.
Alright guys, now that I've got all the prep done, we can finally see this beautiful dish come together. Let's get into plating. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in today. Do make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you next week.